Doing something like this in India is easy. I don't think it's easy anywhere. We have Seema Aunty of the Cure community, Kamakshi Madan, founder of Arzu Foundation. Hi Kamakshi.
Hi Sneha. Seema Aunty तो बहुत पैसा बनाती है, यहाँ कोई पैसा नहीं है. People come to me also when they are ready to settle in. It's not a dating app. First of all, it's offline. So it's actually matchmaking for LGBTQ community, which is a queer community. Matchmaking with a purpose. I get a lot of blessings. एक दिन मुझे एक अचानक फोन आता है एक फादर का. मेरे को अपनी बेटी के लिए ना आप बहू ढूंढ दीजिए. We don't have 3 genders. 50 genders we have. Actually,
The process of coming out is not easy.
they just fall apart because if he kahin to they should have come out. That means they are not confident in their own skin.
Did you have people talk about you differently, look at you differently?
Of course, वही बच्चे घर जाने से पहले अगर ज्वेलरी पहनी है, नेल पेंट लगाया है, कुछ ऐसे सब कुछ उतार के जाते हैं. So they feel so.
Hey you, welcome to Roar, a talk show where we talk about love and relationships. I am your host Neha Desai, and if you're watching this, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It is June and we are celebrating Pride Month on Roar with Sneha, and we have Seema Aunty out here. Okay, wait. I am kidding. We have Seema Aunty of the Cure community out here with us today. We have Kamakshi Madan, who is the founder of Arzu Foundation with us today. Hi Kamakshi.
Hi Sneha. Thank you for having me with you. Thank you so much.
And we are celebrating Pride Month. So tell me, what is Arzu all about?
Okay, so I just have to, in a nutshell, I have to tell you how Arzu came into existence. Arzu is actually matchmaking for LGBTQ community, which is a queer community.
Yes.
And Arzu just doesn't do matchmaking. It also does add-on services like psychological counseling, medical, and legal. So we try to cover the entire broader spectrum, whatever we can help the community and give to the society.
Okay.
That's what Arzu does.
Okay. And so this is literally like matchmaking with a twist.
Matchmaking
And also
with a
it's
twist, yeah.
beyond matchmaking because you're
Correct.
doing so many other things.
Yes, we are giving
But-
the add-on services.
Yeah,
so.
but ये idea आया कहाँ से? Like you are not part of the community.
No.
So ये idea आपको कहाँ से आया?
So, actually, मेरा home decor का store था
Okay.
in Pune.
Okay.
I'm from Pune.
Okay.
So, जो मैंने 2001 में start किया. And it was after quite some years of working, and it was in 2018. मुझे लगा कि मुझे break चाहिए, कुछ और करना है, वो करना है जिससे, you know, I feel as if I'm doing society के लिए कुछ कर रही हूँ.
Purposeful, something
कुछ purposeful in life because retail बहुत कर लिया था.
Okay.
I was taking a break. तब एक friend दिल्ली से मेरी बहुत best friend, my childhood friend, she says, why don't you, you have enough contacts. For a while, till you decide what you really want to do, why don't you join this matrimonial agency? It was for heterosexual, by the way.
Okay.
You know, and you have contacts, freelance काम कर लो, तब तक
है.
सोच लो क्या करना है आपको. I said, ठीक है. वो मैंने सिर्फ कुछ करीबन 6 महीने किया होगा.
Okay.
And I thought, I had my fill, बस हो गया. Because I rather do retail than do matchmaking because ऐसे लगता था कि आप इतने लाखों का पैकेज बेच रहे हैं, आप किसी को आप कपल से आप कुछ पार्टनर सजेस्ट कर रहे हैं, पर इसमें क्या कुछ नहीं था. इसमें it was not doing anything to my soul.
Yeah.
मन की
You didn't feel
I
something
didn't feel I'm doing anything
different.
So and उस वक्त it was 2018 September.
Okay.
When I had reached a level of frustration, I said ये नहीं चलेगा.
Okay.
Section 377 abolished हो चुका था.
Okay.
Because of which homosexuality got decriminalized in 2018.
Okay.
This was on 6 September 2018. And that's when I thought, why don't I do something for the community?
But ऐसे क्यों लगा that you saw the section?
Because it felt like a challenge. इस लग रहा था कुछ अब कुछ कर सकती.
So it was your inner calling that
It was an inner calling. At least I feel I'm giving something to the society.
Okay.
सोचा बहुत क्योंकि मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम था कम्युनिटी के बारे में, क्वेयर कम्युनिटी के बारे में कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी. आई फील वेरी सिली, आई वाज वेरी नाइव कि मुझे कैसे नहीं पता था. जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज स्ट्रेट और घर में कोई भी या मेरी फैमिली का कोई मेंबर क्वेयर कम्युनिटी का नहीं था, बट दैट डजंट मीन यू शुड नॉट बी अवेयर आजू बाजू में क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड यू. सो फाइनली I took a call that this is what I want to do.
Okay.
And hence I started my research. End of 2018, I started my research. It took me 1 full year.
Okay.
And by end of 2019, I was ready with all my research work and went and met a lot of prominent people from the community, a lot of NGOs. And finally, I came with a nice लंबा चौड़ा फॉर्म तैयार था because I felt
So that's when Arzu started?
Arzu started in 2020, just before the lockdown.
Okay.
उसके बाद lockdown हो गया.
Okay.
So the only way I could meet people from the community was through social media.
Okay.
टाइम लगा,
हाँ.
1.5-2 साल तो ऐसे ही चला गया, पर जितना कर सकती थी सोशल मीडिया पे किया.
Okay.
And then
That's
finally it started picking up.
Oh, okay. Wonderful. But what is the exact, so if there are members from the community, what is the process like? What does Arzu exactly do?
जैसे हेट्रोसेक्सुअल मैट्रिमोनियल में एक फॉर्म भरा जाता है, अच्छा खासा डिटेल मांगा जाता है, उसी तरह इसमें भी बराबर से देयर इज अ फॉर्म व्हिच यू नीड टू फिल.
Okay.
Okay, and I will have all the details about you. What is your sexuality, your genders? By the way, you know, we don't have 3 genders.
तो कितने?
Over 50 genders we have actually.
Oh my God.
But not that my form has all those genders written there, quite a bit written, and then there is a column for others.
Others, okay.
Yeah. So apart from the sexuality, genders, we ask things like, do you have any ongoing legal cases also about going against you? Because क्या होता है, once you belong to the community, sometimes your family abandons you.
Okay.
And आपके ऊपर कोई तुम्हारे कोई inheritance, you know, there is a case of inheritance, they just take, you know, you're not accepted by the family. बहुत चीजें
So the
होती हैं.
complications are like
It
multiple.
is. Oh, humongous.
Okay.
And the form also will have, if you out to your family, not out. Would you like your family to be involved in the process of matchmaking? Or जैसे कि अगर ये, you know, during the time of matchmaking, would you require any kind of counseling also?
हाँ.
And what have been your past experiences with your relationships?
Okay.
You know, and to an extent, if you are a trans, कि आपकी सर्जरी हुई है कि नहीं हुई?
Before we get into the form, the online things that Arzu does, the enrollment part, I wanted to know what does LGBTQIA is also there, and then
Yeah.
you have a plus.
That's right.
Yeah, so what does it signify?
Okay. L.
Okay.
L stands for lesbian.
Okay.
G stands for gay.
हाँ.
B is for bisexual, which is attraction towards both.
Okay.
LGBT is for trans.
हाँ.
LGBTQ is for queer.
So queer, तो यहाँ पे अगर see, so L lesbian, when you talk about two females who love each other, then you have gay is where two males love each other. Then bi is when you can be attracted to
towards
both.
both.
Then you have transgender, that is
When you don't identify with the body that you're born with.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's when you have, when it's a transgender. So a boy can feel
Like a
male.
female.
A male can feel like a female from within. Yeah. And vice versa
That's a
also.
trans woman. And when a woman feels like a man, she's a trans man.
Trans man. Okay. And then you have
LGBTQ.
Q.
Queer is when you do not identify with any gender and you're still exploring.
Oh, okay. So they don't identify as male or female?
No.
Okay.
At that stage, they are not.
Okay.
And maybe
They are exploring.
Yeah, they're exploring.
Okay. So yeah, what is I?
Intersex is related to your genitals.
Okay.
When you're maybe born with both of them and you don't identify with one single. You know, you need to identify which you belong to. And this happens only when you reach a certain age in life.
Okay.
That you can actually decide whether you want to be a man or a woman.
Okay.
So that's intersex.
That's a choice.
That's a choice. Ideally, it should be given, you know, to the person to take on the whichever gender they want to take on.
And then you have A.
A is asexual.
Okay.
When you feel the love, when you feel the romance, but you get those emotions, but you're not sexually attracted to anyone.
Oh, you're not sexually attracted to anybody, but you feel love. So it's
You
not
feel
like
love.
they don't feel love and romance.
No, they feel love and romance, but they're not sexually attracted to anyone.
Okay. And then what is the plus sign?
Plus is the entire spectrum, many more categories added to it.
अच्छा तो उसमें जो भी other categories है वो सब उसके लिए plus है.
Plus sign, इसलिए उसके लिए plus है.
Okay.
Because there are certain extent, उसके बाद we don't know. You know, there are too many for people to understand.
Okay. So, and your form actually has all of this in detail.
Yes.
To sort of get to know the
So I
person.
have the categories in detail, not categories in details,
हाँ.
but there is a column of genders
हाँ.
and there is a column of sexuality.
Okay.
They are two different things.
Okay.
वो सब है.
हाँ.
उसके बाद अगर आप ट्रांस कम्युनिटी से हैं तो उसकी भी कैटेगरी है.
बराबर है.
ठीक है. एंड नॉर्मल तो जो आपका हाइट है, इफ यू आर इन इंडिया, आप कौन सी स्टेट से हैं,
And what are you
रिलीजन,
looking? And what are you looking for?
वो तो बाद में आता है. वो जो कॉलम आता है, what you desire in a match
Yeah.
will also have the sexual trait. कि क्या सेक्सुअल ट्रेट ढूंढ रहे हैं आप.
Okay.
और आपके जो पार्टनर है उसका क्या जेंडर होना चाहिए,
उसका क्या जेंडर होना चाहिए. Okay.
उसकी सेक्सुअलिटी क्या होनी चाहिए.
Yeah.
अगर उसके बच्चे हैं, आर यू ओके टू फॉर दैट पर्सन टू, बिकॉज क्या होता है, सो मेनी टाइम्स यू गेट मैरिड एंड यू रियलाइज दैट यू डोंट belong here.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
you end up having a family.
Yeah.
But you feel responsible and you have children. You might have had a divorce or you're separated from your wife.
You've discovered it
You
later.
discovered it later.
That's
so
what- yeah.
form में ये भी होता है, are you okay if your children live with you? Right? If the partner's children live with you,
Yeah.
will you accept?
Yeah.
If you accept the children, you might not accept them want to stay with you.
Yeah.
तब क्या?
Yeah.
Are you second? Are you okay to relocate with your partner? Whether it's in India or overseas. Thirdly, आप पेरेंट्स के साथ रह रहे हैं, आर यू ओके विद योर पार्टनर लिविंग विद द पेरेंट्स? डज इट मैटर टू यू और डजंट मैटर टू यू?
Yeah.
सो ये सब कैटेगरी. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इट कम्स इज, विल योर पार्टनर बी ओके इफ यू आर आउट टू योर फैमिली और एट प्लेस ऑफ वर्क और विद फ्रेंड्स. कई बार ये होता है, कितनी बार होता है कि द मैचेस डोंट, दे जस्ट फॉल अपार्ट बिकॉज दे फील कहीं तो दे शुड हैव कम आउट. That means they are not confident in their own skin.
Yeah.
That's why they have not come out only.
Yeah.
कि किसी के साथ तो चलो, पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं किया,
हाँ.
फ्रेंड्स, वर्क प्लेस, कहीं तो होना चाहिए ना.
But अगर कोई individual है who's not come out and they want to make the process easy, because I am sure this process of coming out is not easy.
It's not easy at all.
Yeah. So
It's not easy.
So do you sort of have people helping from Arzu?
So we have a tie-up with a therapist.
Okay.
When we feel the need, we definitely put them onto a therapist.
Okay.
So many times you need to heal yourself. From childhood, you've had such traumas. You need to heal yourself.
Yeah.
So it's very important that you first accept yourself who you are
Yeah.
before anybody else accepting you.
Yeah.
So at that time, it becomes very important for you to sort yourself out mentally, emotionally before we go ahead, finding a match for you.
Yeah.
So that's very important.
Wow. And how do you think that your personal experiences have made this process of matchmaking easy? Because has anybody called you Seema, auntie?
So all the time, Seema, auntie of LGBTQ community. This happens all the time.
Yeah, because you're like a
But
matchmaking.
मैं उनको ये बोलती हूँ, सीमा आंटी तो बहुत पैसा बनाती है, यहाँ कोई पैसा नहीं है.
You're a matchmaker with a twist. And I love how...
It's a matchmaking with a purpose.
With a purpose, yeah.
It's as if it's a food for your soul. You feel as if तुम कुछ कर रहे हो. At least you're giving something to the society. The kind of, I think what I get maximum, I might not get my little piddly fee that I charge, but I get a lot of blessings.
Blessings, I'm sure. And I think because there is a foundation that is available for these people to sort of come to, and you're actually making it normal that, matchmaking. I have not heard of matchmakers for the queer community. That means you're trying to normalize it. You're trying to tell people that they have the right to have a partner.
Of course.
And out there, and you can also have demands when you're searching for a partner.
See, people come to me also when they are ready to settle in.
Yeah.
Because it's not a dating app. First of all, it's offline.
Okay.
It's totally. मैं उनका फॉर्म भरती हूँ, वो भी नहीं.
अच्छा, आप भरते हो?
हाँ. Either I meet them if I'm Pune based. So if client is there in Pune, we have a meeting, we chit chat over a few cups of coffee.
Okay.
अच्छा 1.5 घंटा लग जाता है, कई बार 2 घंटे भी लग जाता है, because we're chit chatting, we are bonding, we connecting, and it doesn't stop there. They can call me anytime, we can discuss things, they want to change something. Over a period of time also they feel कि ये नहीं जमा, they want to discuss. It becomes like a family. Thankfully, I can say Arzu has created a family over these almost 4 years now.
Yeah.
That they can connect with me anytime.
Wow.
So it is because I meet them personally and we create that bond and there's a connectivity. So then you know what they're looking for in a match.
Yeah.
It is not just tick box. आप ऑनलाइन में टिक बॉक्सेस होते हैं. अच्छा, आपकी ये प्रेफरेंस है, आपको लंबी चौड़ी लिस्ट भेजी जाती है कि ये हैं, इनके साथ आप कनेक्ट कीजिए. पर यहाँ तो वो है ही नहीं. अगर आपकी प्रेफरेंस के मेरे पास नहीं होंगे, मैं नहीं कुछ भेजने वाली आपको. शायद आपको 6 महीने वेट करना पड़ेगा बिफोर आई सेंड अ मैच फॉर यू. बट व्हेन आई डू माय सेंड इट, दैट पर्सन मैचेस योर प्रेफरेंस. एंड व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, वो बात अलग है. आप दोनों का नहीं जमा आगे नहीं जाता है, वो अलग बात है. बट the idea is to give you what you're looking for. What's the point of filling such a intense form? इतना सब कुछ है उसमें. And
हाँ,
now-
मतलब प्रोवाइड करने के लिए आप प्रोवाइड नहीं करते. You are actually doing a lot of research when a client
Exactly.
actually enrolls with you.
क्योंकि वो मेरे साथ जब एनरोल करते हैं ना, हम फॉर्म भरते हैं, वो मैं उनका प्रोफाइल बनाती हूँ. एक प्रॉपर से प्रोफाइल बनता है. हाँ. एंड वो उसके बाद मैं उनको मेल करती हूँ. मैं बोलती हूँ कुछ गलत किया तो आप बताओ, मैं इसको करेक्ट करती हूँ. करेक्ट करके वो मेरे डेटा में जाता है. जब ये हो जाता है उसके बाद वन फाइन डे इफ आई फाइंड देयर प्रोफाइल इज मैचिंग समबडी एल्स, तो जो मैंने उनका प्रोफाइल बनाया है उसमें तो होता है लिखा हुआ आपको कैसा मैच भी चाहिए, पर जब मैं क्लाइंट को भेजती हूँ वो सब एडिट हो जाता है.
हाँ.
ना उनकी फोटो जाती है, ना नाम जाता है, ना नंबर जाता है. सिर्फ बेसिक प्रोफाइल जाता है दोनों साइड को एट द सेम टाइम.
Got it.
ठीक है, एक ही टाइम पे जाता है. अगर दोनों साइड अप्रूव करती हैं उसके बाद मैं फोटो भेजती हूँ व्हाट्सएप पे. फिर भी नाम नंबर नहीं होता है. अगर फोटो के बाद एक जने को भी फोटो पसंद नहीं आई,
हाँ, नहीं आया. हाँ, तो it's
I don't take it further. This is to secure a person's identity. क्या पता कोई see, I do my research. I take an ID proof also from people. I make them sign a declaration also. मैं अपनी तरह से secure होने की पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ.
confidentiality is also a part of
The
us.
biggest part because that means a lot. हम अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि सबको secure रखें.
Yeah.
But कोई somebody can outsmart me.
Yeah.
Then what do I do then?
Yeah. So you've done your best.
Yes, I do
When it
my
comes-
best
yeah.
only when both sides approve. कि जो प्रोफाइल पढ़ा वो ठीक लगा, जो फोटोग्राफ देखी fine, let's go
And
ahead.
then you go.
Then I exchange the name and number.
Okay, got it.
And then I tell them keep me in the loop, let me know. And if they say we met the person, we chatted with the person, no it didn't work out, fair enough, we'll start all over again. So we start all over again.
Yeah.
You know, it takes a while, but again when I find a match, we start all over again.
So how are your so how are these candidates? For what period are they associated with you? So अगर match नहीं हुआ,
But they are with me.
for lifetime.
This is a lifetime thing. They are
wow.
with me.
Okay.
They are with me.
Oh,
Unless
okay.
they come and say, we found someone outside.
हाँ.
या कुछ
That's a
भी ऐसे,
different thing.
then, or
so
they
once
don't-
they are with you are there available
Yes.
with them for
yes,
like, for a
sometimes there are clients who say, now we are no more looking for it.
Okay.
So they come and tell
That's
me
a
that.
different
So that's a different thing. They've gone on a different path.
lifetime. Okay.
They
You
don't
are
want that.
helping them for
In some way or the other.
for
yes,
the lifetime.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
और how was Arzu's journey? Because ये चालू हुआ 2020 में.
हाँ.
And it's 2024 right now.
हाँ.
I am sure तब कुछ था ऐसा पुणे में matchmaking for the
क्यों ना भी
community?
matchmaking नहीं था community.
Community के
नहीं
लिए.
था.
बराबर है. So you started it.
Yes.
So did you have people talk about you differently, look at you differently?
Of course.
Because awareness बढ़ रहा है. No doubt. People are accepting it even more now. And we are seeing that अभी भी time लग रहा है कई जगहों पे. But I'm sure with people like you who started such a foundation.
I can say फर्क पड़ा है.
हाँ.
क्यों? Because एक दिन मुझे एक अचानक फोन आता है एक फादर का.
Okay.
He says मैंने आपके बारे में सुना and they have heard about me from a parent support group, queer parent support group जो Bombay based है.
Okay.
Okay, because I have worked very closely with them. I was trying to start. It's a parent support group. उनका chapter मैं पुणे में खोलना चाह रही थी.
Okay.
Okay, so they were aware that I exist and they've been very supportive of me. जब भी उनको लगता है कोई बच्चा settle होना चाहता है, so I would like to mention that support group called Sweekar. It's a very well-known parent support group in Mumbai.
For the queer community.
For the queer community, and a lot of parents have now registered, and they have been very supportive of me. And whenever they find a parent, you know, and who's looking to settle their children, they always contact me. So I have a lot to thank them for. And ऐसे ही उनके थ्रू मुझे एक फ़ोन आती है फादर की, मेरे को अपनी बेटी के लिए ना आप बहू ढूंढ दीजिए. पहले तो मुझे आई थॉट मैंने सही नहीं सुना. हाँ, then they said, and they are traditional Maharashtrian family, okay, but they believe in their child. That is what is important. जब आप अपने बच्चे में बिलीव करते हैं ना, जैसा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है आपके बच्चे को, the child flies.
Yeah.
And I've seen when they don't get support of their parents, how those children are struggling.
But I think it's so beautiful when
course.
the parent calls
और
in
एक
such an open
Yes.
manner who's ready to accept their
that
kid
is
as
a
is.
daughter in Indian society, so-called society.
Yeah, that's why that was your first instance.
That's why- and then I got another incident when the mother calls for her son.
Okay, wow.
Huh? And then, as luck would have it, उनके लिए मैच भी ढूंढ दिया. But then there was another twist to it. It was so cute. I felt like अपना ही बच्चे हैं.
हाँ.
She says, आपने मैच तो ढूंढ दिया पर उसको बोलिए थोड़ा पढ़ाई में भी ध्यान रखें. I think ये तो कुछ अलग ही twist हो गया.
Oh, wow.
So I had to actually do his counseling.
Okay.
You know, and tell him that you don't lose your focus because he doesn't have a father. You know, and mother was depending on him for a lot to take his studies seriously and career henceforth. So he said, yes, I get that. So ये भी होता है.
Wow. But I think it feels so different, no, when something like this happens.
Oh yeah, you feel you're doing something right.
Yeah.
Maybe you will get there one day. People will understand.
Yeah.
You know what it is to support their children, and you will get your share where people will understand the space that you are coming from.
I'm sure that kids who have come out to their parents, they spark and they shine differently.
Oh yeah,
And
definitely.
I'm sure the confidence that they talk with, as you
मुझे
said,
वो भी बच्चे पता है, ये तो चलो ये कॉन्फिडेंट बच्चे हैं,
हाँ.
वो बच्चे पता है जो they are supporting their family by working for community organizations, but parents को ये पता है वो कर रहे हैं, पता है they are queer, but they will not accept them. And वो ही बच्चे घर जाने से पहले अगर ज्वेलरी पहनी है, नेल पेंट लगाया है, कुछ ऐसे सब कुछ उतार के सब कुछ करके जाते हैं. So they feel so
like something is wrong.
Something is wrong.
And they're
वही
actually
बच्चे
living-
घर में कमाई ला रहे हैं, घर चला रहे हैं.
Yeah.
और आप उनके साथ ऐसे करते हैं.
Yeah,
Accept तो करके देखिए, they're full of love. Your own children are so full of love.
I think they're living such dual lives then.
Yes.
And I think it takes such a mental toll on these people.
Yeah.
Because I think the struggle starts first from within.
Yeah.
For these people. Then to come out, then to first your
सारा
family.
टाइम भी struggle हो रही होती है. सारा टाइम. Ever since they are born, they are struggling.
Wow.
You know, ever since they get aware of their sexuality, they're struggling.
They're struggling.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you being a person, you know, maybe you are a decade or a generation from a different generation, I would want to say.
All right.
But then आपके लिए ये करना, जब आपने बहुत सारा research किया to educate yourself, and how do you sort of make these conversations easier?
I think, you know, I could say that maybe that way I can say maybe I'm God gifted, or maybe I felt this was my calling.
Okay.
Because वो दिल से निकल जाता है. And जब कोई अपने बारे में बात कर रहा होता है, कितनी भी you know, a relationship which is sounding very complicated, you know, it doesn't feel complicated. And I'm able to, at that point, I'm learning. Because मेरे लिए भी सब नया है. So I try to listen very intently to my client.
You have to be very sensitive also.
Of course.
Because it's not, you have to be, actually when you're doing something like this, you have to be extra sensitive.
See, मैंने भी सीखा रैके कि pronouns, you have to be very careful about your pronouns.
Okay.
He, she, they, them, he, him, what anyone wants to be addressed as.
Yeah.
You know, आपको you have to give a due respect. मैंने भी time से सीखा. आज तक गलतियां करती हूँ. I'm still learning. But the thing is, you have to be very mindful. You have to sensitize. Even, in fact, my team is part of the community, but like, I'm not from the community. And then I have, you know, whichever allies. I have just launched actually Arzu Coffee Club in in April, which is to get like-minded people from the community to come together. You know, we talk about on any topic. There will be, you know, or there will be just music, fun, activities, and to mingle. You never know when you come across
It's
a
like
like-minded.
It's like a bonding
It's
session.
a bonding session. Whether उसमें अपने आप से matchmaking हो जाए या आप कोई friend ही बना लें. And it's for 25 plus.
Yeah.
At that time, you can, allies can come, but with a queer friend.
Yeah.
ऐसे नहीं आप आ सकते.
Okay.
So, and जब भी हम कोई भी जो भी venue choose करते हैं, we take a queer friendly venue. कि so that even the employees over there, they have to be very mindful of not to cringe if somebody from the queer community comes and they are dressed differently. And उनको address बराबर से करें. And, you know, and be respectful to them. And especially when they use washrooms.
Yeah.
There can be somebody who might look, you know, look like a male to them, but would be in a female attire. So they should not cringe about it, and they should not discriminate them in any which way.
Wow.
So these things you have to be very mindful of.
Yeah.
You have to sensitize the people who are around you or who are attending your events, you know.
So it's like a process. It's just
it's
not
like a
you.
process.
It's just not you. It's the entire people who you sort of get, who sort of
come together to
come
make this-
together.
yeah.
And then you have to make sure everybody is speaking the same language.
Correct.
And they are aware.
Yeah, they are not disrespectful. They're aware. And if you're not aware, you should be open enough to say it, and that's it. And it's always, learning is always a process.
Yeah.
So.
But do you think doing something like this in India is easy?
I don't
Or
think
has
it's
been
easy
more difficult?
anywhere. I don't think it's easy
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Okay.
I think it's all about acceptance. Yeah, I can say in India, people are getting aware, they're getting mindful.
Yeah.
We have a long way to go, but we are getting there.
Okay.
And it is difficult any which way. The whole acceptance it will take time.
It will take time.
It will take time. Like I said, it starts from home. I hope the acceptance starts from home sooner,
Yeah.
so that it gets easier for these children to move forward.
Yeah, so these apps like Grindr, Tinder, Bumble, they also have matchmaking, for the
Yes,
queer
they do.
community. So why is somebody going to come to Arzu? How is Arzu different?
Ours is different because it is, first of all, offline.
Okay.
It's personalized,
Yeah.
and it's more secure.
Okay.
जब भी आप किसी ऐप को यूज करते हैं, what you're doing is you are tick marking the options, preferences,
Yeah.
right? And bingo, you got a list of people. These people you can connect with, you can date with. What does it lead to? It leads to a rise of hookup culture. Okay, you can have a good time. It works for you. It works. If it doesn't,
Yeah.
it's like that. There is nothing called finding a partner, a lifetime companion. See, we all try. वो आगे companionship चले नहीं चले, that's a different thing. But the idea is to settle in with someone. That's why whoever comes to Arzu, they're ready to settle in. That's when they come.
Yeah.
Okay. Second, with these apps, there is always a commitment phobia. You don't know whether somebody is ready to commit to you or not, or just having a good time, right? And then it is not secure at all. And there has been incidents where people have, people don't feel secure with them. That is for sure.
Yeah.
Because so many times you connect with somebody online, when you meet up that person will be a totally different person, one. Secondly, if you end up being intimate with the person in a first date or a second date or something, before you know, your pictures have been clicked and you are blackmailed. This has happened with the community. It is a real thing
Yeah?
which happen. They get blackmailed and they get told that we're going to show your pictures to your family. You give us this much amount. You have to give us this much amount. No. It is very, very tricky. Hence, you should be prepared when you're using these apps. You don't know where it might just go.
Yeah. So that's where your picture comes.
That's where I come in.
Yeah,
That's
and you
where I come in.
actually make this process so effortless and secure.
See, because I make people sign declaration from both ends. Even I sign that I'm responsible. I have the information with me, which lies with me. The confidentiality is such an important part.
Yeah.
And then secondly is I take the ID proofs as well.
Yeah.
Some form of the ID proof is always with me. I try to do it as much as I can.
जितना लीगली हो सकता है,
उतना-
जितना आप सेफ्टी ये कर सकते हो,
कर सकते हो,
दोनों
उतना
ends
करती हूँ,
के
दोनों
लिए।
ends से।
So आप वो करते हो, बराबर है। ओके, ऐसा कोई मैच मेकिंग एग्जाम्पल है आपके पास जो ऐसे इन योर दीज 4 years हैज बीन लाइक अ विक्ट्री फॉर आरज़ू फॉर दैट मैटर, कि जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि व्हाट लाइक ओके वाओ,
Oh, there has been many times when I felt there is a victory. Many times.
बट ऐसा कोई एक
Yeah, there has been, I can't name anybody. Yeah, but there has been a couple, a gay couple,
Okay.
who reached that level.
ओके एंड दे हैप्पीली
Till few months they were happily till I get a message. Things have not worked, but then that's with any relationship.
Okay, and
but
they
they were on for a while. Yeah.
Okay, they were on for a while. Okay. So इस process में I'm sure बहुत सारा rejection होता रहेगा, बहुत सारे heartbreaks होते रहेंगे. How do you sort of tackle that?
Like with any kind of rejection, you need time to heal.
Yeah.
So that's first thing I tell my client is please give yourself time to heal.
Okay.
Settle in before you want to go for another profile. And if sometimes they need therapy, I put them on to the counselor as well.
Okay.
Like recently, there was a very sad incident where she felt that they were moving in the right direction, but things just fell apart. And she came up and said, show me some other profiles. I said, I'm not showing you any profiles as of now. Give yourself a break. Concentrate on your job. And if you need a therapy, then she agreed. She started her therapy. And she's looking for a new job as well and keeping herself diverted. So basically, it's like anybody, you will tell the same thing. It would need time to heal.
No, but actually in matchmaking, because I have been a part of this whole, in this process, like जहाँ पे मैं भी एक लड़का ढूंढ रही हूँ शादी के लिए, example.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि if somebody would, अगर matchmaker है तो उसका काम नहीं है to handle rejection,
फिर यहाँ पे ये सब करना है ना.
So मैं वही
So it is all a package.
It's so beautiful कि आपने immediately कोई proposal दिखाने से पहले you actually
I said मैं नहीं करूँगी because I know how emotional. See, this is a personal connect.
हाँ.
You're so emotional. I know how much you've given in this relationship.
Yeah.
You need to
take it slow.
Take it slow.
Yeah.
Give yourself time.
Yeah.
Because this will ये rebound में हो रहा है सब कुछ.
हाँ.
So you have to slow down.
So आप सिर्फ you're not just so your idea is कि आपको सिर्फ partner नहीं ढूंढना है. आप emotionally you're in the whole process end to end with this person when they're sort of seeking for a partner. So it's just not कि अच्छा ये ले लो. ये options है. Story ends. That's not what your job is.
Yeah, that's
your job is actually tackling so many emotions, and I think isn't it challenging for you?
Very challenging.
Yeah.
Very challenging because we all are very emotional people at heart. We basically are, you know. And being a mother myself, there are so many tiny children of a certain age who come to you, and you know the space they're coming from.
Yeah.
There is so much of heartbreak when they talk off, and then they don't have support back home. You know, so it can get draining, but it gets fulfilling also when they make a success out of whether it's out of their lives or their personal lives or professional life. It feels very good when they message you on small little things.
Yeah.
This has happened. It feels very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And आपके family में कौन-कौन है? And did they sort of support when you told them that you are doing something like this?
Yeah, first I spoke to my husband. He said, "You thought of it?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Just go ahead with it. Don't even think about it."
Wow.
So, and kids are all for it.
Oh,
yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And what does pride mean to you? Like personally and professionally? Because you are so...
See, pride is all about believing in yourself, to be proud of your sexuality, gender, your religion, anything. Is you just have to learn to believe in yourself. And that itself gives you a pride.
Okay.
I think that's the biggest high when you believe in yourself. I think that's the best that you can do. Okay. Then nothing comes in your way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what message? So because I'm sure that this podcast is going to reach so many people out there. And it's Pride Month, and we're celebrating that out here. So any message that you have for the community, or even one for the community and one for everybody out there?
For the community, I can only say everybody is beautiful.
Huh.
And going out there on the streets, its pride is all about being proud of who you are, believe in yourself. Love comes in different forms, and the way everyone dresses up in such vibrant colors, and they're all out there, which means like we are there. We love who we are. So in fact, we should take inspiration from them. The solidarity which people from the community, they exhibit or they showcase during the Pride March, it's amazing. You must see the one which is in Pune as well, since that's close to home.
Yeah.
So, but it happens every year. It's beautiful. People are all there in their own, they're looking lovely, beautiful, dressed in their fineries and being happy in their space.
So for anybody who is still not, in a space where has not accepted their, the truth, or they are like sort of, there is a whole struggle of accepting themselves, who's a part of this community but has not come out. Any message for them?
Just keep believing in yourself. One day you'll get it there. That is very important. And if it means you need to take help, because you have to stand for yourself. You have to stand for yourself because you can't lead this double-faced life, because you will never make anyone happy. If you are not happy, how will you make others happy? So a very sweet compliment someone just gave me a few days ago. This person was not able to find a therapist who could speak Hindi में नहीं बोल पा रहे थे, और वो अपनी वो married थे, and they didn't believe they didn't believe they belong to a certain gender, and अपने family को पर बता नहीं पा रहे थे.
And that person was married.
That person was married. Didn't feel that he was a man. He felt of a woman inside.
Okay.
तो वो बात नहीं कर पा रहे थे.
हाँ.
तो उनको एक हिंदी स्पीकिंग थेरेपिस्ट चाहिए था. बंगाली होता तो इवन बेटर. तो किसी तरह ढूंढ के उनको थेरेपिस्ट वो दे दिए. तो उनकी प्रॉब्लम एक तरह से काफी, he was fighting within himself to talk to someone.
Yeah.
जब मैंने उनको ये करके दिया, उनका कुछ हफ्तों के बाद मुझे मैसेज आया, शायद आप मुझे भूल गए होंगे, बट मैं आपको कभी नहीं भूल पाऊंगी. You know, they address themselves as she.
Okay.
So, and he says, पर मेरे को लगता है, all I can do is thank you by, I feel like मैं आपका नाम क्या मैं रख सकती हूँ अपने लिए? Can I call myself that name? Because they were calling themselves by some other name.
Some other name, yeah.
And when he said that, I think that was the biggest compliment or a biggest thank you that someone can give.
Wow.
That मैं आपका नाम रख सकती हूँ क्योंकि वो मुझे याद कराएगा कि आपने मेरी कितनी मदद की. So these are small little things which make you feel very blessed.
And what message do you have for people who have not accepted their kids or anybody around them who's a part of this community?
I'll just say love is love. Love has no gender. So please accept, because you will only give respect to their love, and you will see once you give that respect, जो आपको अंदर से मन की शांति मिलेगी, you will feel so good about yourself that you opened your heart to everyone, and you've accepted love in all form.
So अगर इनके लिए, for example, it's a very something that might not seem very normal for some people out there. That's why that acceptance is उनके लिए भी एक struggle है. चलो, it's from both the ends. तो मुझे ये कि what is the first step that a person can start making everybody feel like a community?
सबसे बड़ी चीज़ तो आप यही कर सकते हैं, अगर आप किसी somebody from the community से आप मिलते भी हैं, तो एटलीस्ट आप ऐसे फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस पे ध्यान रखिए. आप उतना ही अगर संभाल लें अपने आप को, और आप क्रिंज नहीं करें. जैसे कई बार लोग चेहरा ऐसे बना लेते हैं कि लगता है, पता ही चल जाता है वो अनकंफर्टेबल है इस सिनेरियो में. आप उतना ही कोशिश कर लीजिए और पोलाइट ही हो जाइए किसी को. दैट्स द फर्स्ट स्टेप. बी रिस्पेक्टफुल. उतना ही कर लीजिए ना. जब आपके पास कोई ट्रांस आते हैं सिग्नल्स पे या किनर आते हैं, उनको आप ऐसे तो कुछ देने भी नहीं वाला उनको पैसा. That is a job for them. This is a job. Please accept it.
Yeah. And I also feel that the next step, I think, can make things easier is when you educate yourself.
Exactly.
I think stop making it feel such an alien concept.
Yeah. Educate the people around.
Educate yourself. Read about it.
That starts from home. आपके घर में जो हेल्पर है, हाउस हेल्पर, आप उनसे ही बात करना शुरू कीजिए. एटलीस्ट मेरे घर में जो हाउस हेल्पर है उनको मालूम है कि मैं क्या काम करती हूँ.
एंड
वो that's how तो दूसरे से बात करते हैं.
True. So you start normalizing.
This is like normal.
Yeah.
This is normal.
Yeah. Wow. What is the biggest challenge for you when you are in this process of matchmaking? कोई ऐसा challenge जो आपको हमेशा बार-बार आता है? और
आता है.
हाँ,
आता है. Because see, there are things called sexual traits.
Okay.
Suppose if there is a gay couple,
Okay.
there is something called top and bottom.
Okay.
So you have to be careful, mindful that if the one person is top, the other one has to be bottom, or vice versa. Jisko jo hai, there is a versatile category also. These are few categories.
Okay.
You have to think of that.
Okay.
Then there are people who are still very particular about a religion.
Okay.
कम्युनिटी में भी, कम्युनिटी में जबकि ये चीज मायने ही नहीं रखती है. लव इज ऑल दैट मैटर्स.
Yeah, love is love.
कहीं ना वो भी आ जाता है.
Oh, okay.
सरप्राइजिंगली वो भी आ जाता है. एंड देन
Then your challenge is to find somebody from the same religion.
not same religion. Yeah, not same community. एक तो same religion वो challenge, वैसे ही challenge है to find
Community
same similar sexuality.
हाँ.
And ऊपर से रिलीजन का भी एक सेक्शन है जो रिलीजियस मामले में बहुत स्ट्रांग है.
Okay.
Then there will be some who would want their partner to be out.
हाँ.
If you are not out, they would not perform because then they feel they are not confident in their own skin. तो उस इंसान के साथ हम कैसे रहेंगे?
बराबर है.
So one is that also.
Yeah.
So and whether they are ready to relocate with them.
हाँ.
वो भी हो जाता है.
वो भी एक.
वो भी बहुत बड़ा place
challenge.
Yeah. So that's so.
But as you said, that sexual trait wala is the biggest challenge because I think everybody is looking out for
a different compatibility sexual trait they are looking at. तो उसमें बहुत गड़बड़ हो जाती है.
तो काफी
whether it's women, whether it's men, or whether they are from the other categories. So it makes a difference.
So it's pretty complex for you, and I think you have to make yourself also pretty open to these concepts.
Yes.
To sort of understand these integrities, because ये बहुत छोटी-छोटी चीजें हैं जो मायने रखती है.
छोटी-छोटी नहीं है. हाँ, बहुत बड़ी चीजें हैं.
अच्छा.
हाँ, बहुत बड़ी चीजें हैं. And if you are a trans, आप wrong body में है क्या?
हाँ.
Your gender is different, but you're caught in a wrong body.
Yeah.
And if you have been through a surgery, or you're going through a surgery, going through a process, the person is going through certain hormonal treatment, and वो प्रोसेस में गुजरना, कोई आपको उस प्रोसेस में कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेगा? बिकॉज हार्मोन्स आपके साइकोलॉजिकल, इमोशनल और फिजिकल कितना फर्क पड़ता है उससे. कोई आपसे निभा पाएगा इस पूरे प्रोसेस से? एंड एंड रिजल्ट जो 2 साल बाद मिलेगा पूरी ट्रीटमेंट के बाद, आप क्या बन जाएंगे? आप किस process से गुजरेंगे. So these are very
So the
challenging
details,
times.
the details matters.
These are very challenging situations.
Challenging situation.
Yes. Okay. Yes.
So thank you so much, Kamakshi, for coming on Raw. And it was an absolute honor to actually discover, and even I think it was educating for me also. I think I learned so much from this episode. And you're doing something that is so, I think it is so pure. It is so near to godliness, is what I would say, that Arzu is doing. And I think it's love in the fullest form.
Thank you so much for calling me and appreciating. And I hope it reaches to, people don't have to register with Arzu. As long as they are aware there's something like Arzu exists.
Yeah.
And they start learning to accept their children, their family members. At least one can say love has no boundaries and love is love.
Yes.
In its true form.
And Raw is about love. So I think this was one of the best episodes that
I'm glad you
out
called me.
here.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me over. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for watching this episode. If you loved it, please share this episode with your loved ones. This is your chance to educate and spread awareness about the queer community. It is Pride Month, so spread love, embrace it and rise in love. And do not forget, I roar you.